General Professor B.R. Mani sir, respected Additional Director General National Museum Shri Ashish Goyal sir, respected Director Itihas Smita ma'am, distinguished guests and my esteemed colleagues, a hearty welcome to each one of you present here today. आप हमारे लिए time निकाल पाए, so thank you very much, and also a very happy Foundation Day to all present here today. On the occasion of 64th Foundation Day, we are inaugurating this special exhibition titled Heritage Unlocked. You will be unlocking the exhibition very soon after the inauguration. But to very briefly talk about the concept behind the exhibition. जनरली जब हम म्यूजियम एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं तो एक धारणा जुड़ी रहती है कि म्यूजियम एजुकेशन सिर्फ कतरवियों, कलरिंग, sketching से ही related activities हो. But we want to break this notion, and I would certainly like to mention my teacher, Professor Manvi Seth, who taught us while we were doing our masters that your activities, your exhibition should be focusing around 3 C's, which is concept, content, and context. So that is something that we are focusing on with this exhibition. The exhibition promises an enjoyable journey through the National Museum's collection and enables visitors to interpret and understand with a multidimensional approach. It is poised to be a torchbearer in the Indian Museum fraternity, where the focus is not merely on the display of exhibits, but on contextualization and interpretation. Moving forward on this journey and exploring and learning more through this exhibition, I would like to invite Ms. Smita ma'am, the Director of Itihas, to briefly address the audience and share a little bit about the program.
Extend my sincere thank you to everybody who is present here. आप सबने जैसे समय निकाला और बहुत मेहनत करी है इस एग्जीबिशन को खड़ा करने में. डॉक्टर मनी, आपका नेशनल म्यूजियम का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद for the opportunity given to Itihas interns, and so many of them are here today to meet you, जिन्होंने इस एग्जीबिशन की जो एक्टिविटीज हैं उस पर काम किया है. This was an idea that was born 10 years ago. 10 साल हो गए हमें इस म्यूजियम में. इतिहास 20 साल का है. We are voting age, but our National Museum interns are not yet voting age. They have been coming here for 10 years, and I think museum में जो एक माहौल बना, thanks to DK, thanks to Dr. Mani and everybody here, the students, as they have said, is their feedback. उनको बहुत खुली छूट मिली यहाँ काम करने की और एक अपनापन महसूस हुआ. तो वो म्यूजियम में बिल्कुल उसको अपना समझकर काम करने लगे. Which was the purpose of this internship, कि जब आप म्यूजियम में जाएं, how you respect everything that is a part of the museum. So if our students saw किसी ने दीवार पे कुछ लिखा है तो उनको रोक देते थे, या लिखने वाले हैं उनको रोक देते थे. कोई हाथ रख रहा है ग्लास केस पे तो they will correct them. So they actually became members of the wonderful staff here, and it was a great learning opportunity for them. And we are so happy that many of these interns have gone on to take professional money and the National Museum for creating a heritage home, literally, for our interns. And thank you sir so much for gracing the occasion and being here with us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would now request our Director General sir to please address the audience. But I would also like to mention that ये जो exhibition आप experience करेंगे is the brainchild of our sir. Because जब internship खत्म हो गई थी, उसके बाद जब उसकी presentation auditorium में हुई, it was sir who said, ये बंद दीवारी के बीच में नहीं रहना चाहिए, ये सभी को इंस्पायर करना चाहिए. So that's why we have this exhibition in front of you, which would be inaugurated by our Joint Secretary Sir shortly.
Respected Mr. Paul, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Culture, Srimati Yuta Vasthi, Director Itihas, distinguished guests, the friends of the National Museum, my dear colleagues from National Museum and Indian Institute of Science. Greetings and warm welcome to everyone present here today. It is indeed a moment as we gather to celebrate the 64th Foundation Day of the National Museum, an institution that holds a significant place in the cultural and artistic landscape of our nation. Today, as we reflect on the journey of this August
portions, but obviously we are very proud to be here, to be associated with this iconic organization, institution rather, of the National Museum. History goes back to 1947. Most from other young kids should be very proud that we have got your internship here. This will take you a long way. Today, you see, the National Museum stands a proud custodian of more than 2 lakh objects, one of the largest in the country, which has immense historical and cultural value. These treasures of both Indian and foreign span over 5,000 years of rich and diverse heritage. Now, this is the most important part, 5,000 years of our heritage. This is something which the youngsters should be exposed to.
If you can start explanation first for us.
Anyway. Yeah. ये surface area का artifact है जो आपको मिला है. So you can take this picture. Many a times you get artifacts on surface area of Parish. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you take deeper, you'll find the pictures.
some portraits will be there and some such things they might have.
Sir,
I don't see them having
हाँ, एक में ध्यान दो.
what we also do, sir, some of the Itihas material, we create tattoos like this of various artifacts in the museum. So when you come in and you buy a ticket, you get a tattoo. Now you look for that. एक ढूंढने के effort में बीस चीजें और देख लेते हैं because it becomes a game and you're not carrying paper and all. So these are Indira will just brief you in which classroom it's in. So there are various schools which make actually of it. So these are our programs. So this is something called Itihas Kaya. It's a board game that we have that we do and actually we play with this. So these are the color cards that we have. And this is the scene where we get this is for the very young. This is called Faiths and Festivals. And we have festivals such as Diwali and Dashera are dashed in different parts of India. So we play in that way. And the Congress festival. So it's a monopoly version of heritage. And then we have the gardening session where a child calls out, I have a musical prayer sung by, so somebody has asked who has the musical prayer that is sung by the Sikhs. So the child reads out, the musical prayer sung by the Sikhs is called Diwali. And it has what is considered, so it's a game for learning heritage. For the senior children, we have a democracy dialogue because we realize that that is where there's a lot of work that needs to be done. Water is something that we're working a lot on. So they visit Baulis, the rivers, the tanks. So it's very extensive outside of the museum. And we work a lot with language. So it's one of the issues that we create. Whatever new the children are learning, they put it in this. So one of it is here. Whatever I knew on day one, I write it over here. So I write all of the words and it can be folded down. So when it opens up, it is like a A4 size sheet. And by the end of it, the children are filled on this side and on that. So share Dr. Mani and me, sir, which are lost, are Roshandan. Children don't know what is a Roshandan and Surahi. They know Matka, but they don't know Surahi. So these are all yeah.
So music experience for audio guides we have. So we have another section dedicated to audio guides developed by interns. For several different galleries, you can walk around the gallery and see all the galleries. चेहरा बनाते हैं, जो मेन आर्टिस्ट होता है उसका चेहरा बनाते हैं, उसके बाद फिर लैंडस्केप बनाते हैं, जो उसके पीछे का बैकग्राउंड अपना और वहाँ पे पेंटिंग करते हैं, फिर अपनी पेंटिंग
Anushka, with the entire thing get there, so that we have. Anushka, what do you do? Anushka, what?
वाह, बहुत कुछ मिल रहा है उसमें तो।
You see the design on here? ये फूलों का डिजाइन है। So ये कोई नॉर्मल चीज हुआ करती थी या ये कुछ स्पेशल था? थोड़ा डेकोरेट मिलाया हो सकता है स्पेशल। ये एक नोकीली चीज है, एक प्लेट।